Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Zoom camera is not working. If your camera is not showing up properly in Zoom, one of the quickest things to check is whether the app is using the correct camera source. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the settings inside Zoom and make sure the right camera is selected so your video can display correctly during meetings. To begin, open the Zoom app on your device. Give it a moment to load fully so all the menu options appear as expected. Once you're inside the app, look toward the bottom area of the window and find the three-dot menu. This menu is often used to access more options that aren't shown on the main screen. Click the three dots at the bottom to open the additional menu. After that, select Settings. This will take you to the area where Zoom lets you control app preferences, including audio and video behavior. If your camera isn't working, this is the most important place to check, because the issue is often just a setting rather than a hardware failure. Inside Settings, click on Video and Effects. This section contains the controls for how your camera behaves in Zoom, along with visual options that can affect how your video appears. From there, click on Video to open the main video settings. Now look for the camera option. Click on it, and then select the sample camera or the available camera you want Zoom to use. This step matters because if Zoom is pointing to the wrong camera device, your video may appear blank, frozen, or not turn on at all. Choosing the correct camera source usually resolves the issue right away. As you switch the camera selection, watch the preview area if it appears. If the preview starts showing your image, that means Zoom is now detecting the correct camera. If you have more than one camera connected, such as a built-in webcam and an external webcam, it's especially important to test the listed options carefully until the right one is selected. Take your time while checking these settings and make sure the camera choice stays saved before leaving the menu. Once the proper camera is selected, your video should work more reliably in future Zoom meetings as well. That's all for this guide. You've now gone through the Zoom video settings, opened the camera options, and selected the camera source that can help fix the problem.